this simple cheese can transform a dish into a gourmet experience. Burrata, a buttery delight, originated in Italy, elevating meals with its rich taste. Today, we're pairing this creamy wonder with sweet peaches and a drizzle of honey. Let's start by toasting our baguette to a perfect golden brown. While our bread crisps up, slice the peaches. Their sweetness will complement the burrata. Now, the star of the show, place the burrata on a plate, ready for its sweet partners. Arrange the peach slices around the cheese, creating a palette of colors and flavors. Drizzle Wasatch Wildflower Honey from Higbee Honey over the burrata and peaches, adding a glossy, sweet finish. The moment of truth, top the toasted baguette with our burrata and peach masterpiece. Garnish with a sprinkle of fresh basil, adding a pop of color and a hint of aroma. Each bite is a symphony of textures, creamy, crunchy, juicy, and utterly irresistible. Burrata isn't just cheese, it's a culinary adventure waiting to be explored. Combined with prosciutto, fruit, and honey, it is an explosion of flavor. Ready to make your own? It's simple, fun, and a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Join the food enthusiasts who've discovered the joy of cooking with burrata. Dive into the world of burrata, the beginning of delicious discoveries.